I'm in the boatyard looking at a Sabre Express Cruiser sporting the Cummins Zeus Pod, and you can see the propellers are in the back. Think of them as pushers, different than the Volvo IPS where the propellers are in the front. You may call those pullers. You can see the exhaust comes out the middle of the propeller just like an outboard, and it's got duo props. The props on this side have 4 blades, and the prop on the front side's got 5 blades. This is the trim tab right here, and you can see the zincs, proprietary zincs from Zeus, Mercury, Cummins, Zeus, proprietary trim tab zincs. They're built in somewhat of a tunnel. You can see the tunnel idea. That's a diver plate zinc. And looking over here to the far left, or the port side if you want to call it that, you can see we've got some more action in there, some ramrod action, or to push the trim tab down. Another duo prop with 4 blades in the back, 5 blades in the front. And the port side of the drive unit itself. So this is what a Cummins Zeus Pod looks like to compare to the Volvo IPS Pod. If you've got any questions, you know who to call. Ask Captain Chris.